Hi students, let's take the next question, question 2, page number 100 from the miscellaneous exercise. Now here A is given 3 by 3 matrix and we have to prove that A raised to n is equal to this. So again this will prove by the principle of mathematical induction. So let us take we'll consider that our P of n. So if we substitute 1, right? So A raised to 1 is equal to what we are getting? 3 raised to 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 minus 1, 0. Right? And power 0, that means it is 1. Power 0, that means it is 1. So all are coming 1. So that means is equal to A. So that means for P1 it is true. That is clear. So if this is our P of n, we are substituting 1 in place of n. So A raised to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and for any power 0, answer is 1. That is coming A matrix, right? So that means for P of 1 it is true. Now let me erase this much so that I can write further and will have space. So let us consider that for P of k it is true. So for P of k is equal to A raised to k. So that becomes 3 raised to k minus 1. In place of n, we supposed to write k. Okay. Now we'll consider that it is true. For P of k, it is true. Now we'll substitute. We'll check for the k plus 1. So when we are doing k plus 1, so here, this is number 1. So 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1, right? So that becomes 3 raised to k. This is also 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k. Now see, before that, what we can do here, A raised to k plus 1 can be written as A raised to k into A, right? By following the rules of exponent. So what we are getting here, A raised to k will using this 1. So that is 3 raised to k minus 1. 3 raised to k minus 1. Okay, and into A. Into A, all are 1 only, 3 by 3 matrix. So this is also 3 by 3 and that is also 3 by 3. That means multiplication is possible. So now let us multiply this. First row, first column, right? So we will have, see, values are same and this is also same. So that means we will have 3 times 3 raised to k minus 1, right? Similarly, second row and first column. So that is also 3 times. So we will have 3 into k minus 1. Similarly for the third row, 3 into k minus 1. Now first row, second column, that is also the same. That means all values will be like this only. 3 into 3k minus 1, 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1, 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1. I hope this is clear why I have written 3. Because 3 times value is coming same only. 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1, 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1. Now see, this is 1 and minus 1. So what it becomes? 3 raised to k. So all elements becomes 3 raised to k. Okay. Now see, when we are substituting n is equal to k plus 1, okay, this is the what we did, a raised to k into a. But when we are substituting n is equal to k plus 1, so what we are getting? 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k, right? All are coming 3 raised to k only. So this is what LHS, right? And this is what RHS. This is the LHS. So are we getting here RHS is equal to RHS? Hence for P of k plus 1 is true. So that means this statement is true for any value of n. I hope it is clear. Simply we have utilized the mathematical induction rule. So a raised to k, then a raised to k plus 1. So is equal to what will happen? 3 raised to k, like that. Then k plus 1 means a raised to k into a. So we are getting this a into this. When we are multiplying, we are getting this matrix, and 3 into this. So this is what we are getting RHS side. Okay. This is LHS. This is RHS. So we are getting RHS here. That means it is true. Keep practicing. God bless you, children.